Fetch rewards versus Ibotta. Which app earns you more cashback rewards? Well, I've tested both apps out for you to give you a better perspective from a real user's point of view. In this video, you'll find out which store receipts each accepts, how long you have to upload those receipts, as well as whether your cashback rewards expire if you don't use them. I'll also do a side-by-side comparison of each and then share with you which app will earn you the most amount of money. Hey guys, my name is Pilar Newman and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that like button on this video. That way, more people will get a chance to learn this information as well. Thanks so much for that quick favor and for your support. So let's get started. Now, both Fetch Rewards and Ibotta offer you a real way to save money by scanning your grocery receipts, clothes shopping receipts, wine and liquor receipts, and all sorts of other receipts. But each app rewards you differently for those same purchases. So let's first take a quick look at each app's features side by side. Merchants accepted. For Fetch, you can upload receipts from all major and most local grocery stores, gas merchants, any retailer you dine or shop at, and that does include fast food places such as McDonald's and Popeyes. For Ibotta, you can upload receipts at over 300 preferred retail chains, including grocery stores, restaurants, movie theaters, convenience stores, and pet stores. Both Fetch and Ibotta can be used on an Apple or Android phone. Now, how long do you have to upload a receipt? For Fetch, you have up to 14 days from the date of the receipt. For Ibotta, you have up to 7 days from the date of the receipt. Redeeming your rewards. For Fetch, you can redeem your points for gift cards, sweepstakes entries, or donate your point rewards to charity. For Ibotta, you can redeem rewards in real cash via a money transfer to PayPal or bank account, or redeem your rewards for gift cards. How about minimum payout? For Fetch, you need a minimum of 3,000 points. For Ibotta, it's a minimum of $20 to cash out. Do your rewards expire? For Fetch, your rewards will expire after 90 days of inactivity, but don't worry, if you keep using the Fetch app and remain active on it, then your points will never expire. For Ibotta, you will be assessed account maintenance fees after 6 months of account inactivity, but again, just like Fetch, if you continue to stay active with your account, then your rewards will not expire, nor will you be subject to account maintenance fees. Does each app have a referral bonus? Both Fetch and Ibotta will reward you for inviting friends and family members to the app. For anyone you refer to Fetch that uses your special referral code, you'll receive 2,000 points. For Ibotta, you'll receive a $10 referral bonus. Please note that these bonuses can change at any time, but these are the current referral bonuses at the time of this recording. So how does Fetch Rewards work? Fetch is pretty simple and straightforward to use. You simply go about your regular shopping and either snap a photo of your receipt or submit your e-receipt via the in-app feature to earn your points. New users of the app will immediately earn 2,000 points, plus an opportunity to earn an additional 1,000 points when you use code AWPFV8 at signup. I'll place a special link underneath this video along with the referral code so you can sign up today to receive your bonus points. 1,000 Fetch points equals $1. Once you've earned your initial sign-up points, each new receipt will earn you a minimum of 25 points. But if you want to quickly rack up Fetch points, then take advantage of participating brands where you can earn extra points on scanned receipts. Currently, there are a total of 314 brands that will earn you extra points on each receipt. Special limited time offers will earn you the most amount of points on receipts. As you can see on your screen, some of these special offers have the ability of earning you 4,000, 5,000, even 6,000 points. Once you've earned a minimum of 3,000 points, you can redeem them for gift cards from top merchants including Amazon, Walmart, Starbucks. You can even buy gift cards for Airbnb, Advanced Auto Parts, and AMC movie theaters, just to name a few. How does Ibotta work? Ibotta is similar in that you download the free app and instantly turn your shopping receipts into cashback rewards. You can also download the Ibotta browser extension and add it to your Chrome or Firefox browser. Unlike Fetch, that gives you points on all receipts, Ibotta offers cashback rewards on individual grocery product offers from over 300 preferred chain retailers. Simply add offers to your in-app Ibotta shopping list, shop those offers in-store or online, then scan your receipt to earn real cash back on eligible offers. Additionally, you can take advantage of Ibotta weekly bonuses to earn even more cashback rewards. Best of all, you get tons of free stuff with Ibotta's special free after offer deals. Redeem these in-app deals to try out new products from brands partnered with Ibotta. Once you reach the $20 minimum threshold to cash out, you can transfer your money to PayPal or bank card deposit, or if you prefer, you can redeem your rewards for gift cards at top retailers. New users of the app will immediately receive upwards of $20 in free money as a special welcome bonus when using code KSHAGVC at signup. I'll place a special link underneath this video along with the referral code so you can sign up today to receive your welcome bonus money. Is Fetch Rewards worth it? If you are someone that shops on a frequent basis and will take advantage of the special offer bonus points, then Fetch Rewards may be worth it to you. On the contrary, if you shop infrequently and don't plan to redeem special offers, then you'll only average 25 points per receipt. Considering that 1,000 Fetch points equals $1, this app may not be worth it for you. But here's also a quick rundown of the pros and cons of the Fetch Rewards app. Pros. Number 1, the app is free to download and use. Number 2, you'll receive 2,000 points sign-up bonus when you use code AWPFV8. Number 3, Fetch doesn't care what receipts you scan, you'll earn points on nearly every receipt uploaded. Number 4, special offer bonus points will fast track your cashback earnings. And number 5, you can save up to 80% on prescriptions by using Fetch's single care digital card. Now here are some of the cons. Number 1, it takes a long time for reward points to add up. Number 2, there are too few offers in the app compared to other money-saving apps. Number 3, cashback can be redeemed for gift cards, not actual money or cash. Number 4, reward points do expire after 90 days of account inactivity. So, is the Ibotta app worth it? If you are someone that shops brand name items and are a frequent shopper of retail chain stores, then the Ibotta app may be worth it to you. On the contrary, if you shop at lesser known retail stores and rarely buy brand name items, then the Ibotta app may not be worth it to you. Here's a quick rundown of the Ibotta app pros and cons. Pros. Number 1, the app is free to download and use. Number 2, you'll receive up to $20 as a sign-up welcome bonus when you use code KSHAGVC. Number 3, high cashback offers on brand name products. Number 4, you'll have access to weekly bonus offers to earn even more cashback rewards. And number 5, real cash rewards payout to PayPal or bank card. Now here are some of the cons. Number 1, there's a real risk that you'll shop more because of the multitude of deals being offered. Number 2, online rebates are only applied when shopping through the Ibotta portal. Number 3, customer service is a little bit slow in getting back to you. Number 4, the good product freebie offers do disappear fast. And number 5, fees are applied after 6 months of account inactivity. Fetch versus Ibotta, which is better? After testing out both apps, I found the Ibotta app to be a much more worthwhile cashback rewards app to use. Here are 3 reasons why I believe Ibotta is the clear winner. Number 1, Ibotta offers cashback deals on any brand you buy, so even if you don't shop brand name offers, you can still earn cash rebates on many generic products. Number 2, there are plenty of freebie offers in the Ibotta app to drink and eat for free. I personally really love this feature and I pick up my freebies on a weekly basis. And number 3, the Ibotta referral bonus is one of the most generous in the industry. You'll earn $10 per friend or family member who signs up for Ibotta and redeems an offer using your referral code. These three benefits to using Ibotta is what has earned me over $1,800 with the Ibotta app to date. It is also why I highly recommend Ibotta to anyone who wants to save money by using this one high-paying cashback rewards app. But hey, just because I prefer Ibotta doesn't mean I give Fetch Rewards the cold shoulder. Not at all. As a matter of fact, you can upload the same receipt to Fetch Rewards and Ibotta to stack your rebate rewards even higher. On many occasions, you'll even find overlapping rebates, such as I did on Kind Thin Bars during a recent grocery shopping trip. Ultimately, you can use both apps together to earn the most amount of cashback rewards on your next shopping trip. Now, don't forget to check out the links and referral codes underneath this video to receive your bonus points and money when signing up to each app. Guys, please do me a huge favor, hit that like button before leaving. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.